Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we're facing with selecting data from a PostgreSQL function that returns a set of user-defined composite types. In the scenario presented, there seems to be a difficulty in using the create.selectFrom routines.mergePerson records method, leading to an error related to the structure of the function's return. Additionally, even when attempting to gather data using create.select dsl.** from routines.mergePerson records, the result obtained doesn't match the expected composite type, causing some confusion. Now, moving on to the solution. A workaround for this situation involves utilizing an auxiliary table type instead of a user-defined type. By making use of the provided SQL statements, creating a table dressing_t, and adjusting the merge_person function accordingly, we can work around the limitations present and ensure the correct selection and return of the desired composite type data. In summary, tackling the issue of selecting data from a PostgreSQL function that returns a set of user-defined composite types can be effectively addressed by modifying the function to interact with an auxiliary table type. By making this adjustment, the expected composite type data can be accurately retrieved and processed as intended. And with that, we've reached the end. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment, maybe even share your favorite programming joke. Take care and happy coding!